Hola, did you know that mastering just one letter, the R, can completely transform how authentic your Brazilian Portuguese sounds? Getting it right not only helps you sound more natural, but it's also a key to truly connecting with Brazilian locals. I am your friendly guide for this channel. Whether you're learning for travel, work, or just for fun, I am here to help you sound less like a tourist and more like a local, step by step. If you've ever tried saying words like Rio or Caro and felt awkward, you're not alone. Many English speakers either try to roll the R too much, or use their American R, which just doesn't sound right in Brazilian Portuguese. It's totally normal to be nervous about not being understood. But here's the good news: the Brazilian R actually follows simple rules. There are just 3 main sounds you need to learn. And you probably already know how to make these sounds in English. Let me show you how easy it is. Let's break down the 3 R sounds. 1. The strong R. At the start of a word, or when you see double RR, like in Rio or Caro. It sounds just like the English H in hello. Try Rio, river, Caro, car. Point 2. The soft R. When R sits between vowels. Think of the quick tap in the American English butter. Try Caro, expensive, para, fur or 2. Just a single, light tap of your tongue against the roof of your mouth. Point 3. The ending R. When R is at the end of a word. It's often almost silent, like a soft breath, or dropped completely. Try falar, to speak, comer, to eat. Say fala, very softly. Once you know these simple rules, you'll instantly improve your pronunciation. For example, in Rio de Janeiro, the famous city, versus just Rio, which means river, you'll say Rio instead of Rio. No more tourist accent. Here's a secret: Brazilians are super forgiving when it comes to accents. But when they hear you pronounce the R correctly, they light up. It shows you care about their language and culture. Let's practice together. Say Caro, with the strong R, ca-ho, and Caro, with the soft R, caro, out loud. Notice the difference? Keep practicing these, subscribe for more tips, and soon you'll sound like a local wherever you go.